Next we are discussing half angle formula. So in a triangle, this triangle is what? ABC. Opposite side of A is what? Small a. Opposite side of B is what? Small b. And opposite side of C is what? Small c. And we know that 2s equal to what? A plus B plus C, where S is what? Semi-perimeter. So here, if you want to find out sine of A by 2. So sine of A by 2 is what? Angle A is between side B and C. So sine of A by 2 is what? Root over S minus B into S minus C divided by BC. Similarly, if you want to find sine of B by 2, sine of B by 2. So sine of B by 2 is what? Root over, see, angle B is what? Between side A and C. So what will come? S minus A into S minus C divided by AC. Similarly, if you want to find out sine C by 2, sine of C by 2. Angle C is what? Between side A and B. So what will come? Root over S minus A into S minus B divided by AB. Okay. Similarly, if you want to find out cos A by 2, cos A by 2. Okay. For finding cos A by 2, we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So from here, cos theta will be what? Plus minus root over 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, if you use this formula, we will get what? Cos theta. So if you want to find out cos A by 2, then cos A by 2 will come out root over S into S minus A divided by BC. Okay, why we are taking plus? Because A by 2 is what? Less than 90. A by 2 is what? Less than 90 degree. That means A by 2 is what? Acute angle. So cos of acute angle is what? Positive. So here we will take plus only. Minus we will not take because cos A by 2 is what? Positive. Similarly, cos B by 2 we can find out. What is cos B by 2? Cos B by 2 will come out root over S into S minus B divided by AC. And similarly, if you want to find out cos C by 2, so cos C by 2 will be root over S into S minus C divided by AB. So we'll get what? Sin A by 2, sin B by 2, sin C by 2, cos A by 2, cos B by 2, cos C by 2. This is half angle formula. Now we are doing proof. Okay, suppose we are proving this one. Okay, so to prove this one, what you will do? We want to find out sin A by 2. Okay, so first we will find out this angle. So first we will find out cos A. So what is cos A? So A is what? Between side B and C. So cos A will be what? B square plus C square minus A square divided by BC. 2BC. Okay. So cos A is what? B square plus C square minus A square divided by 2BC. So cos A, we want sin A by 2. Okay. So what you will do? Cos A we can add what? 1 minus 2 sin square A by 2. This is equal to what? B square plus C square minus A square divided by 2BC. Suppose from A we want cos A by 2. Cos A by 2. Then cos A, what we will write? Cos A we can write what? 2 cos square A by 2 minus 1. Okay. 2 cos square A by 2 minus 1. Cos A will write 2 cos square A by 2 minus 1. Then this is equal to what? B square plus C square minus A square divided by 2BC. Okay. Now, if we simplify this one, we will get cos A by 2. Okay. And if you want sin A by 2, you have to simplify this one. So from here, what will come? 2 sin square A by 2. This one we are taking in this side. Okay. So this one we are writing here. And 1 minus this will come. 1 minus B square plus C square minus A square divided by 2BC. Just we are simplifying. तो यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा? 2 sin square A by 2. If you take LCM, so LCM is what? 2BC. So what will come? 2BC minus B square minus C square plus A square divided by 2BC. Okay. So from here what will come? 2 sin square A by 2 equal to, here we are writing A square minus, this will come what? B square plus C square minus 2BC divided by 2BC. Okay. So this will come what? A square as it is. This will come what? b minus c whole square divided by 2bc. This will come. So this is 2 sine square a by 2. Okay, now this one I'm writing here. Okay, so this I'm taking separately. Okay, so 2 sine square a by 2. Okay, after this one we are writing here 2 sine square a by 2 equal to, here we are using formula is what? X square minus y square. X square minus y square we can write what? X minus y into x plus y. This formula we are using. So a square minus this one we can write what? A minus in bracket b minus c into a plus in bracket b minus c divided by 2bc. This will come. So this one we get 2 sine square a by 2 equal to, if we simplify this one, whatever, a minus b plus c. So this will come what? A plus c minus b in bracket. If you open this one, what will come? A plus b minus c divided by 2bc. Okay, so from here what will come? Sine square a by 2. 2 we are taking denominator. So denominator is what? 4bc. Numerator is what? A plus c minus b. Okay, and we know that 2s equal to what? A plus b plus c. Okay, so from here if you find out a plus c, so what is a plus c? A plus is what? 2s minus b. Okay, a plus c is what? 2s minus b. B you are taking in this side, so we'll get 2s minus b. So here a plus c we can write 2s minus b. So what will come? 2s minus b into a plus b. Okay, so from here we can find out a plus b. So c you have to take this side. So what is a plus b? A plus b is what? 2s minus c. So a plus b value we are putting here. So what will come? 2s minus c minus c. So from here what will come? Sine square a by 2. This is what? 2s minus 2b. So we are taking 2 common. So this will come 2 times s minus b. Similarly this is what? 2s minus 2c. So here also we are taking 2 common. We will get what? S minus c divided by 4 times bc. Okay, 2 into 2 is what? 4. So this is getting cancelled. Sine square a by 2 will get this one. So we are taking square root. So sine a by 2 will be what? If you remove square, we will get what? Plus minus. So what will come? Plus minus root over s minus b into s minus c divided by bc. But sine a by 2 is what? Positive. Because a by 2 is what? Less than 90 degree. Okay, if it is greater than 90 degree also, then also it is positive. But here a by 2 is what? Less than 90. So sine a by 2 is what? Positive, because a by 2 is what? Acute angle. Okay, because we know sine is positive in first and second quadrant. Okay, so a by 2 is what? In first quadrant, so sine a by 2 is what? Positive. So here we have to take plus sign. So what will come? Sine a by 2 will come what? Plus root over s minus b into s minus c divided by bc. So this is your proof.